Good evening, everyone. My name is Aronan, one of the co-founder of SGBI, Shastra Global Business Innovations, and we build intelligent testing automation platform for quality testing automation. Today, we are going to announce two of our latest platform, which is going to revolutionize the way we do product testing and validation. Yes, I mean product testing. We do software as well as hardware testing. Today we are going to tell you how AI and robotics can combine solve so many issues that facing by QA industry. So before moving to the product, just want to highlight a couple of facts in the QA testing. If you look at a QA team, you can see so many pain points. So you can simply think about a small application running on an Android or an iOS device, or you can think about a situation, a very complex software running on a Linux or Windows platform, handling mission critical situation in either intensive care unit medical device or defense and aerospace industry. You can see so many switches, we have to rotate it, press it, toggle it, and we have to evaluate the performance of the quality by during regression or functionality feature testing. The actual question is, how much time does the engineer take to generate automation script if they want to automate it? First of all, if you are considering the software automation tool, an average engineer might take approximately 20 to 30 minutes to generate 2 minutes long moderative complex test cases. And if you look at a complex product, they are having weekly, monthly and quarterly release, then they might be dealing with approximately 500 to 1000 test cases. If you move into a very complex scenario, like I said in avionics or a medical sector, they might be handling millions of test cases in a year. So the average human will definitely spend approximately 4 to 5 hours identify a bug and reporting to the development team. When we use the software automation tool, when we try to automate something, if there is a hardware dependency, it's clearly fail. We need to either use a manual label to automate it, or we have to rely on robotics. Robot can, instead of a human, can turn the switch using a computer vision, it can take image, it can automate it. Then what is that new things we are going to launch today? I'm going to tell you, when I interacted with most of the Fortune 500 companies in the world, I found a pattern. If you look at Google or Apple or Samsung, name any of the top companies, they are having weekly releases. Look at AI models, they all have weekly releases. The Monday morning, they will get a push from the development team. They might going to see, okay, I changed the button from right side to left side, or I changed the feature from 5th page to 7th page. The question is, within this 1 or 2 days time frame, if they're getting a push from 100 plus team, understanding the changes and revisiting the test case and editing it and then reusing it, is that really possible? No, it's not possible. They have to rely on manual testers again. But that is again time consuming. And on top of that, they instruct the manual labels. Okay, if you identify a bug, you have to replicate the bug at least a couple of times before reporting to the development team. Make sure that is a bug, not a glitch. So an average engineer will spend approximately 6 to 7 hours on top of a single bug, which we really want to reduce it less than 30 minutes or less than 50 minutes. That's a demand from the industry leaders. So we are thinking and launching our new AI platform, which give us an ability to use AI to generate test cases, ability to use robotics, both simulation as well as real robotics, to execute the test cases and use AI to identify the bug and reporting to the development team. And how we are going to do that? Just look at me. If somebody asks me to automate something, or somebody asks me to do a product testing, I'm going to look at that product using my eyes, and I'm going to process the information when I'm looking at that screen or button or a a blinking LED, then I'll process it dynamically and take a decision. Should I wait, or should I skip this window, or should I press it hard? I'll take the decision that time, not based on the static script. That is exactly what we are doing. We are replicating computer vision, AI and robotic thinkers, and it can automate software and hardware just exactly like a human. And officially we are launching Quaco Studio by playing a video demonstrating how it's actually working. Over to the video.
Creating new test cases and converting existing test scripts has always been one of the biggest challenges for the test automation team. Quaco Studio AI solves this by generating intelligent test scripts from plain, natural language. No manual coding required. Our AI-powered robotic platform is capable of testing both software and hardware infrastructure, functioning just like an intelligent manual tester. For demonstration purposes, we are using a POS system consisting of a register, pin pad, and Q-tap for card payment. To begin, open the Quaco AI module. Once the page appears, input the context and simply press the Generate Test Case button. Now you can see the magic. Quaco Studio AI instantly transforms it into structured and editable test steps. Each step is fully editable. This hybrid workflow allows testers to review and fine-tune the output before moving forward. Once we are okay with the steps, you can press the Build Script button. Quaco AI will convert these logical steps into an actual test script. On the execution page, the user can view the automatically generated test script. If you're an experienced test engineer, you can also modify the code if needed, or simply execute the test script by pressing the Execute Script button. You can see a live camera feed from the Quaco executing the test script using a real physical robot. It begins by entering user credentials on the register, then adds items to the register through multiple methods. First, by scanning barcodes. Next, by tapping items directly on the screen. And finally, by searching and entering items manually. It then proceeds to check out and triggers the QMUX-C, a card multiplexer, to select the appropriate card. The Q-tap module inserts the selected card into the pin pad for payment. The platform also supports simulated touchscreen interactions if the POS device permits. This means you can use this platform to automate end-to-end POS testing hardware or software, just like a real human operator. During execution, you can see all test steps automatically logged in real time within the Quaco Studio AI platform. Just like a human tester, the robot's vision module analyzes the output after each step, then autonomously decides which action to perform next, such as verifying printed invoice accuracy and logging the total printed amount. With Quaco Studio AI, you'll soon be able to instantly port your existing test cases. Just upload an Excel sheet or a release document, and it will automatically generate and execute the tests for you. Paired with robotic execution, Quaco Studio AI makes testing POS systems faster, smarter, and more human than ever before.
This is how we actually use the system to test a point of sales terminal. We are not limiting to point of sales terminal. Any software and hardware, especially hardware dependent software, can be automated this. And this device we already deployed approximately 200 units around 3 countries. And now this equipment is equipped with our latest AI platform, which essentially reduces test case generation time by 95%, and it can help you to reuse the test case without revisiting it, and all this can be done 1/3 of the cost of conventional testing. And moving forward, what we are going to do, now we have a bigger mission with AI. We are trying to reduce it and giving you a new device which you can put it on your table. We are introducing Quaco Desk, an ultimate AI-powered robotic platform fits into your tabletop. And moving to a demonstration.
Introducing Quaco Desk, the ultimate desktop-friendly test automation solution. A compact yet powerful version of our Quaco Pro D, designed for easy integration into any office, lab, or workspace. At the core of Quaco Desk is a high-speed robotic arm equipped with force-sensing multi-finger technology. It can replicate human-like actions on any HMI, whether it's a touch screen, pressing physical buttons, or even activating side buttons on a device. Quaco Studio's AI convert existing test cases into robotic actions and generating new ones from natural inputs. Our record and play feature allows you to design and execute test cases with plain mouse clicks. No coding required. The integrated AI-powered vision system ensures detailed OCR validation, UI detection, and real-time error tracking. Whether you're in mobile hardware or software testing, automotive infotainment testing, POS testing, or smart device validation, Quaco Desk delivers powerful automation in a compact form. With built-in safety features like emergency stop switches, SOP violation alerts, and door state detection, Quaco Desk ensures a secure and controlled testing environment. Compact and office-friendly. AI-driven codeless automation. Advanced computer vision and OCR. High-speed, force-sensitive robotic fingers. Edge computing and cloud connectivity. Plug-and-play modular test rig. Test smarter, faster, and right from your desk.
So using this platform, we are giving a freedom to our customers to use AI to build the test cases. They can simulate it without having a real physical robot, or they can use a real physical robot if they need to really interact it with a real physical product like a human. If anyone want to do your own test case creation, you don't need to know anything but simply typing into our user interface. And we are showcasing there in booth number 187. We have some technical difficulty to do the live demo here. Free feel to visit our booth, and it's all yours. You can play around it. It will do the magic. Thank you so much.